Hello everyone. First of all, I thank to Mr. Panchanan Samal, Principal of Dhauli Art College and Kalamitra Foundation of from Hyderabad. It's a greater pleasure to me to be part of your program. Thanks for giving me a chance to recall my past journey of art world. Well, in early 90s, I was very much fascinated with outdoor study, basically with watercolor. In my college time, I was regularly doing outdoor study, and that's why I did several solo. So I had painted several series of landscaping of different part of India. I had been Nepal also. My favorite spot was Rajasthan. Favorite series of my watercolors. I did more than thousand work on Temple City, and this is the best work in my life. I did this painting in at Lingaraj Temple. Almost all watercolors artists are fascinated to do seascape. I did this beautiful seascape at Puri, and it was raining. So I got a cloudy sky from artistic views. After complete my V Fine Art, I just got a chance to join in government service. I was artist of Orissa State Museum for last 13 years. After 2006, I came to Lucknow for a promotional course, conservation of art materials. Lucknow is a beautiful city. I think I did 100 something work. I did study work at Lucknow, and I had a show, Look Now Lucknow, and this work is the one of my favorite work of that series. Finally, I shifted to Delhi on the year of 2007. And started my conceptual contemporary painting based on different environmental issues and different social issues like global warming, child labors, water issues. These are my few environmental issues works I want to show you. After reaching to Delhi, it was a great challenge to me to establish my work in contemporary scenario. Basically, I was a landscape painter, so I started few works on environmental issue. First, it is a favorite work of mine based on water crisis, and how this work is based on how the land mafias are selling the cultivation land. Again, I did this water crisis. The topic was imported from Mars. Meanwhile, I saw a few of my series is totally saturated in market. That's why I want to change my concept, change my visual views from to make to make my works different from others. That's why I take research on the different issues, different subjects, and I got a unique concept of zodiac symbols. Zodiac symbols basically emotionally bond with different people's emotions. That's why I picked that subject as an element in my painting. I input these zodiac symbols in my paintings, and it is a tremendous success in my series. This year I did a solo art show at Hyderabad at Solo Alankrita Art Gallery. It was a grand success of every point of views. These are my few works on Zodiac's Jinx series. This is on Gemini Rashi, where the bonding of two couples. This is work. This work is on Capricorn. How all rounder they are. Scorpion basically multi-talent. They are almost you can say diamond type of pupils. So I painted a diamond to highlight their character. Beautiful painting of my zodiac signs. Basically, girls are just like Lakshmi. So I paint a small child compare with Lakshmi, goddess Lakshmi. I always try to be unique with my concept with others artists. That's why I'm experimenting different types of concept. Last year I got the senior fellowship from Government of India CCRT, and for that I am doing a unique painting concept on raga. Raga, the musical life of human beings. For that, I am taking reference from a old manuscript from Orissa State Museum, and it will be a beautiful series of work to Indian contemporary. Malava Raga basically on a romantic view of a couple, uh, how they are ending of their love and affection. Kukuba Raga based on spring season, the sound of koel bird, the effect of music of koel birds. Rag Dhanashi. It's a painful, melodious life known for waiting and recalling those golden moments. The clock sound make the heart falls more high to higher, where writing the beloved named is only a solution to feel his presence. Rag Dakhin Gunjari. Uh, Dakhin Gunjari means song from south. In basically, this work is comparing with South Indian lady with the beautiful landscape of south. He trying to care the natures and protect the natures